What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a 12-minute haircut tutorial, so stay tuned. We started off by saturating the hair and debulking the top with our shears. We made our guideline going through the middle, then connected it to the side, making our silhouette. Now we're near the back area and occipital bone area. Right now I'm stretching out the hair so I can see its true length, and then I'm cutting everything that sticks out. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also make sure you watch to the end. Now that we're done creating our silhouette, we can move on to our Go to Effects and create our first guideline. You always want to make sure you contour your first guidelines to their head shape. Now that we're done budding them out with our trimmers, we can move on to our foil shaver and remove the stubble. Now that we're done budding them out, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed and midway will help you erase that initial guideline. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. With this same guard, we're going to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that the line is soft enough, we can move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. I'm using my no guard all the way closed and midway just to detail that initial guideline. Using our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to create our 4th guard line and get ready for the 1.5 guard. You can never detail too much, so I switched back to my 1 guard all the way open and used my corners. Before I use my clipper over comb, I always like to use a 3 guard all the way open. Always remember to feed the hair into the clipper with your comb. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Moving on to our clipper over comb method, we're making sure we're grabbing the hair slightly and tilting the comb at a certain degree just so we could create a blend. Also, when the cutting blade is going up vertically, I'm blending, and when the cutting blade is going to the side horizontally, I'm debulking. Now that we're done with our clipper over comb method, we can move on to his hairline. I always line up my C-cup starting at the bottom and working my way to the top arch. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Moving on to the Turkish razor, we're using our Dervish premium blades to make them as crispy as possible.